Imagine these two big developers collaborate in one village. It results this panoramic view of Laguna Lake, Makati skyline, and a sneak peek of Sierra Madre Mountains. In terms of cool weather, it is situated in the foothill of Mount Makiling. We have an 18 holes championship golf course inside this village. So having leisure, panoramic view, cool weather, and privacy for your family, you can have all that in one village. Welcome to Ayala Greenfield Estates. Hi everyone! I'm Carwin Orga, your Prime Properties, and again, we are here at one of the premium villages you can find here in South. Perfect for retirement and an investment at the same time. No, we are here at Ayala Greenfield Estate. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, no, it is situated literal in the foothill of Mount Makiling. So yung elevation nito is around 380 meters up to 480 meters above sea level, I think, no? Kasi may mga bahay pa talaga na mas mataas pa dito kung nasan tayo located. And itong papakita ko sa inyo, no, we are going to talk about Phase 10, their newly launched phase, no? And kung makikita nyo, ongoing land development na, no? And malapit na rin ang turnover na to. So, pwede kayong makakuha ng huge discount also, no? They are giving huge discount, actually around 27%, kaya very exciting. Later, pag-usapan natin, no? And syempre, bakit nga ba maganda mag-retire and mag-invest dito sa Ayala Greenfield Estates? Before we dive into details about Ayala Greenfield Estates, no, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Ayala Greenfield Estate is a joint venture of Ayala and Greenfields. And we all know Ayala is a premium brand pagdating sa real estate, no? And Greenfield is also known for its development na very nature-friendly. So imagine na nag-collab tong dalawang big developers dito sa bansa. Ito yung magandang nangyari, no? Ito yung Ayala Greenfield Estates. So sa mga hindi nakakalam, this is located in Calamba, Laguna, situated exactly at the foothills of Mount Makiling. So in terms of yung vibe sa area, very Greenfield talaga yung brand, no? Kasi nature-friendly. Hindi ka lang literal na nature yung design, but you are literally connected to nature, no? Nasa paligid mo mismo. Kumbaga, nasa likod mo lang yung bundok ng Mount Makiling. And if you are from Manila, kagaya ko, no? Galing ako Santa Rosa, ang aking dinaanan is yung SLEX, yung South Luzon Expressway, no? And from South Luzon Expressway, ang pwede mo maging exit is Turbina. Kaya naman kung makikita nyo guys, if you're from Manila, from BGC, going here to Ayala Greenfield Estate, it will only take you around 40 to 45 minutes. And from Alabang naman, around 30 minutes lang nandito ka na, no? Kaya kanina, galing tayo sa Santa Rosa, around 15 minutes, pinag-uusapan niya namin, 15 to 20 minutes, nandito na kami. So sa ngayon, ang daan mo is dito sa may Bukal Bypass Road. If you're familiar sa may Pansol, no, and Turbina, ito yung nagko-connect sa dalawa. Nagkaroon ng bypass road yan, which is Bukal Bypass Road. And yun din yung aming dinaanan as entrance going here sa Ayala Greenfield Estate. Kung mapapansin nyo yung sa South Luzon Expressway, paglagpas mo ng Turbina going to Batangas, simula doon pinapalawak na yung yung South Luzon Expressway, yung pinaka expressway natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng sariling exit, which is yung Bukal exit niya, no? Actually nag-ground break na yan. Try kong ilagay yung link sa comment section para mabasa niyo yung article about this project. And ayun nga, magkakaroon sila ng sariling exit. So very best time talaga na mag-invest while they don't have an access pa directly. Kasi alam naman natin, itong access na to, ito yung nagpapataas ng value ng isang property. So sa ngayon, na mayroon pang Turbina exit, alam naman natin, no, accessible na to, lalo na pag nagkaroon na ng Bukal exit. So paglabas mo ng village, meron kang sariling exit dito. Add mo pa dito sa area, they allotted around 150 hectares for commercial development. I'm very sure times 2 or times 3 pa yung current price niya kapag na-develop na yung natitirang mga vacant lot na for development pa ng Ayala Greenfield, no, dito sa area. So, ito yung SLEX guys. Ito yung Ayala Greenfield Estates. This is the New Valley. So, kung makikita nyo, malapit lang din kasi kagaya ko galing Santa Rosa. And ito yung mga other developments ng Ayala. New Valley, Broadfield, Era in Carmona, and then Vermosa, Ayala Alabang, connected yan using the Cavitex and Calax, no? So yung major expressway natin na existing, SLEX, you are very accessible. From the ongoing project pa ng Calax right now, yung Calax kasi hanggang Aguinaldo na, lalo na kapag nadugsong na yung from Silang East going to Ibu City, development of Ayala again, no, imagine gaano ka-accessible na to. Kaya na nilang pumunta dito sa part na to ng South. And syempre, dagdag na rin natin since we're talking about the expressway, yung Laguna Lake Expressway, no, literal na dito sa view mo, makikita mo, sobrang accessible kasi you have 3 options. SLEX, the Calax, and syempre yung LLX, Laguna Lake Expressway. So imagine, that's the accessibility. That's one of the reason kung bakit mataas ang value ng isang property. So right now, napakaganda mag-invest. Yung mga sinabi kong yun guys, special the Bukal exit, sobrang ganda kapag nagkaroon na sila ng sariling access dito. So ngayon guys, tapos na natin pag-usapan yung location nitong Ayala Greenfield Estate. Ngayon naman, let's talk about the details. So Ayala Greenfield Estate is a 350 hectares residential, a premium secured with a panoramic view. What's unique about this village, aside that it has a panoramic view of Laguna Lake, Mount Makiling, and you are just situated beside or literally at the Mount Makiling hillside. Okay, you have a championship golf course inside the village with 18 holes para 72. This was designed by Robert Trent Jones Jr. If you've been familiar or nakapaglaro ka na sa Santa Elena Golf Club, no, or nakapunta ka na doon, same designer din po. Siya rin ang nag-design nun and siya rin ang nag-design ng golf course dito sa Ayala Greenfield Estates. And that's 350 hectares again. This whole Ayala Greenfield Estate plus yung diniscuss ko nga kanina sa labas na development, another 150 hectares for Central Business District. Imagine that guys. Sa labas mismo nitong Premium Village, doon itatayo mga premium commercial office buildings dito. And kayo naman nakabukod, enjoying this view and your nature-friendly community. So the reason why we are filming right now, if you've been looking for an investment and at the same time, perfect na perfect sa retirement home mo, hindi lang sa future retirement mo, kundi future ngayon mismo, pwedeng mo ma-enjoy yung view, yung nature, yung vibe, and yung premium nung area, yung security, all in one village. Ngayon, pwede mo yun maranasan at the same time makapag-secure ng investment because they are now offering a huge discount. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, I'm very excited to show it with you, or to share it with you guys. And syempre, pinakamahalaga dito, they are giving a flexible payment terms. Okay? Kaya naman, ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo na nag-launch sila ng another phase dito sa loob ng Ayala Greenfield Estate, which is the phase 10. So, dito sa phase 10, nag-open sila ng mga lots, around 39 lots lang siya, guys. Ganun ka-premium, And kung makikita nyo yung mga lot size dito, around 585 or 68 yung pinakamaliit, and having a 800 square meter naman for the maximum lot size. And what's premium about phase 10, bukod sa yung payment terms niya is flexible, yung elevation niya sobrang taas. We are at 280 meters above sea level. Kaya naman yung panoramic view, grabe. Talagang priceless pagdating sa property. Parang libre na lang yung property dito Ang binibili mo yung view mismo and yung gaano ka connected sa nature dito sa Mount Makiling, So again, we have a 39 lots lang dito. So nag-prepare ako ng isang sample computation dito, isang spot cash kasi malaking discount nila, and syempre yung pinaka-flexible na payment terms. Ngayon guys, nag-prepare ako ng isang sample computation dito. Lapit lang tayo guys, So ito yung buong mapa nung phase 10. Kung makikita nyo, single loaded, may mga lots na single loaded. Ayan. Talagang maximize mo yung view mo, hindi lang sa harap, kundi likod, and sa gilid din ng property mo. Talagang literal, kung paano mo i-design, nasa sa inyo na lang yon. So, yung mga lots natin dito, medyo malalaking lot size, ideal siya sa retirement home. And syempre, rin guys, yung design ng bahay na pwede mong itayo dito is wala siyang concept. Kung ano yung pinakagusto mo talagang itayo, yung design, kahit modern Asian, or gusto mo American, kung ano yung mas papasok sa sa vibe mo ng house, at the same time having this kind of view, pwede mong ipatayo dito sa Ayala Greenfield Estate. Exactly dito sa phase 10. Okay? So, malapit na rin ma-turn over to. Later, pakita ko sa inyo yung lot, So, dito muna tayo sa mapa. So, ito yung napili ko, guys. Block 7, Lot 3, guys. Ito siya, Block 7, Lot 3. And kung nasan tayo ngayon, nandito tayo. So, from here, tanaw natin tong lote na to. Ito lang siya, guys. Nasa harap ko na block. Ayan mismo, Yan, nandyan siya. Yan yung Block 7. So, balik lang tayo dito sa mapa. No? So, dito sa mapa, ito yung Block 7 Lot 3. It has a total lease price of 31,671,680 pesos. Ang payment terms na pinili ko as example para sa inyo, para may idea kayo, no, is itong ating isang spot cash payment because they're giving you a 26.5% discount, no, para sa spot cash plus 0.5% naman para sa early booking discount. So, total of 27% ang pwede nyo ma-maximize dito if mag-spot cash ka. So, almost 8.5 million yung madi-discount mo dun sa total list price. So, again, isa sa pwede nyo i-maximize dito is yung kanilang in-offer na huge discount, no, which is 27%. So, from 31,671,680 pesos, less discount, magiging 23,162,291 pesos and 38 centavos na lang siya. So, from original price niya na list price from 31 million, around 54,000 pesos per square meter, down to 40,000 pesos per square meter because of the discount. Imagine that kind of price per square meter, guys. Nandito na rin yung branch sa Village, which is Ayala and Greenfield. So, imagine kung gaano kaganda yung offer nila na yon, no? As your for investment or di kaya for retirement. And that is for the spot cash, guys. So, magiging pinaka-payment terms mo dito, you can secure this lot for 200,000 pesos as your reservation fee. So, you can pay the remaining amount after 30 days, which is 25,448,290 pesos and 67 centavos. Kung makikita nyo, may amount pa na natira, which is yung 5%. Babayaran nyo pa siya after 30 months, no? Which is exactly kung kailan yung turnover ng phase 10. Kaya siya may natitira na 5%. So, yung 5% is 1,158,114 pesos and 57 centavos. So, babayaran nyo pa yun after 30 months. And again, gusto ko yung highlight dito sa spot cash is yung 27% discount. That's very huge, guys. Imagine from 54,000 down to 40,000 pesos per square meter. Pero what if, Carl, pwede ko pang gamitin yung pera to other business na pwedeng makapagpalago pa, no? Or pwede ko pang paikutin. Pwede rin naman. Tapos nag-prepare ako ng isang very flexible na sample computation na pwede yung i-maximize, which is 10% spot down payment and then 40% payable in 60 months. Guys, imagine, almost 5 years nyo siyang babayaran. The remaining 50%, you can pay it through spot cash or pay it in bank financing. Sobrang flexible niya, no? Kasi yung pinaka-down payment mo, yung 40%, you can pay it in 60 months. Kaya talagang almost 5 years. Kung di ka naman nagmamadali or nagpapaikot ka ng pera, no? Pwede mo tong ma-maximize tong payment terms na ito. Okay? So, ang magiging down payment mo, again, is 10%. So, after the reservation fee, which is 200,000 to secure a lot dito sa phase 10, after that, 30 days, you can pay the spot down payment, the 10%, which is 3,229,500 pesos. So, after that, on the next month, after 30 days, mag-start na yung inyong 40% payable in 60 months. So, magiging monthly mo is 235,300 pesos. That's for the whole 60 months. Imagine how flexible is that. To around 200,000 lang magiging monthly mo, no? And yung magiging remaining balance na 50%, which is 17,647,422 pesos and 19 centavos, you can pay it through spot cash or bank financing. So, hindi ka maglabas talaga ng malaking pera kasi after pa ng down payment mo, yung remaining 50%, pwede mo pang i-bank loan, no? And sa haba ng DP na to, I'm sure meron ka ng approval niyan sa bank. Kaya naman, kung naghahanap ka talaga ng investment, gusto mo i-maximize yung terms, ayaw mo mag-spot cash, pwede ka pa rin mag-invest dito sa Ayala Greenfield Estates. Magandang i-maximize natin ito kasi for sure, kapag tumaas na yung demand dito sa area, no, marami nang maghahanap ng mga ganitong uri ng lote. Siyempre, mawawala na rin yung ating discount. So, sa ngayon, you have an early move-in discount or early booking discount, sorry. And meron pang huge discount for spot cash. Pwede mo yun i-maximize. So, you can have a investment lot at the same time retirement with a panoramic view of Laguna Lake, Makati Skyline, a sneak peek of Sierra Madre. And add ko lang, no, guys, Ayala Greenfield Estates located in Calamba, no, just like in Santa Rosa, yung mga village na malapit sa Technopark, nakatira dito sila sa mga malalapit na premium village sa Technopark. Malalapit din na Technoparks dito sa Calamba like FPIP and other other technoparks in Calamba, some of them invested here in Ayala Greenfield Estates, no? Because of the view, sa loob mismo ng village, may golf course, no? And syempre, yung view elevation and yung security, no? Nandito na, all in one village. And you are living literally in the nature, no? Hindi lang siya pinilit na magkaroon ng nature vibe, but this one is totoong nature talaga, yung katabi mo, no? Which is Mount Makiling. Sabi ko nga kanina, yung ibang village na in-offer namin sa Santa Rosa area, no, we are featuring or highlighting the Mount Makiling view, but this time sa Ayala Greenfield Estate mismo, nasa Mount Makiling ka. And again, if you've been eyeing for a retirement lot na hindi pa in the future mo magagamit, kundi ngayon mismo, pwede ka magpatayo at mag-retire dahil pwede mo nang ma-enjoy yung view and yung vibe, no? At the same time, you want the premium brand and syempre yung security ng Ayala and how nature-friendly ang develop ng Greenfield. Dito mararanasan mo yan sa Ayala Greenfield Estate. Plus, the value appreciation and add mo na rin yung legacy na may iwan mo sa inyong pamilya. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating tour or sa ating finiture na premium village here in the South, no? Again, imagine having two big developers or big brands pagdating sa real estate industry, Ayala and Greenfield. Ayala is giving the trust and the premium, no? And Greenfield's giving us a nature-friendly community, and they collaborate. It results this panoramic view of Laguna Lake, Makati skyline. From here, guys, tanaw na tanaw nyo. And syempre, a sneak peek of Sierra Madre Mountains. And in terms of cool weather for your retirement dream home, we are just situated in the foothill of Mount Makiling. So kung yung ibang village, ang pinifeature nila, no, is kita mo yung Mount Makiling. But this village is literally in Mount Makiling. So hindi lang talaga nature friendly yung community, kundi connected ka literally sa nature. This is perfect for someone looking for a retirement home that already has the value in the future. So in terms of your legacy, pwede mo siya ipamana sa inyong mga kids. In terms of value ng property, you have already the two big developers brand, Ayala and Greenfield. And if you want to retire in this kind of village or you want an investment in this kind of premium community, please don't hesitate to message or call us on the numbers flashing on the screen. It is 639-6960-20739. Again, it is 639-6960-20739. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan abroad. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one.